This is the Master Cashbook on Excel. Yes, this is one Excel template you will love to have. When you use this template, you have an automatic general ledger. All you need to do is to enter data in the Master Cashbook sheet. Once you enter any data, you come to your GL, you right click and you refresh. You refresh data. That is all. You have a general ledger. Internet subscriptions, you can see all the details, the bank it was paid from, the PV numbers and the amount. We have local transport. What are you waiting for? Everything is automatic once you enter into the Master Cashbook. Everything that's done with cash, see your sales, all the inflows that came as cash payments from sales, you are seeing them here. Your Master Cashbook on Excel can give you GLs. As in, this is like a software. Get this template and enjoy our Christmas sales discount.